Yo, Mary. This is Patrick. This is Tevis. This is Jeannie. Me, I'm Fakawa.
Yo, go rush tennis to marriage rush.
Say what?
Hush now, listen what I'm saying now. The system make corrupt the stage as we come of age. Rush, 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 make it roll like a candy crush. Too young, premature, with better desire, with no discipline, go turn upside down. When Mary is in town, ELOP in a hope and happy life. Possibility and responsibility ain't too light. Careful. It can ruin your life. Yeah, marriage rush. Make your life a little hush. Better say enough. Come on, what's the rush? Pay attention to the words, yeah. Adult life is aimed for yeah. Haha. Yo. Yeah.
Don't let it trust, say it brother now. Back in the day was a gate, they were made, they were bound, they were tied, it was fun. High tide, low tide, in the right time. But it all different now. 21st century, speak too much. Be patient, it's the only thing you know. Wake up. Shoot a week with a punch, boom. The further, the flow. The harder it goes. The second, no. The longer you go. One day, trade it like woo.
Yo, figure that the lost education that is so drop out, because unemployed. Job place, some place, make a mess like a leg legs. Makes your life a little harder. Oh, you youngest got married, cause a friend got married, that's a great mistake. True love is a race. It's not too fast back then.
Yeah, marriage rush. Makes your life a little hush.
Better say enough.
Come on,
What the rush?
pay attention to the word, yeah. I don't like these info, yeah.
Yeah, solutions or confusion. Put your focus real like a gunshot. Think smooth, think smart. Take your time slowly. Think about your family. You should make them happy because you're the reason why they leave. But wisdom is neglected. Illusion is selected. Bad choice will confuse ya. Never dream, just work. Careful what you wish for. That's what you live for. Never sell your education, cause the future depends on it.
Yeah, marriage rush. Makes your life a little hush. Better say enough. Come on, what's the rush? Pay attention to the words, yeah. Down life is aimed for, yeah.
Yeah, marriage rush.
Makes your life a little